Altùris, sheltered in the green curves of its hills. Altùris, owned by brothers Marco and Massimo Zorzedic, offers you a creative winemaking settled between innovation and tradition. The delicate elegance of sparkling wine. Grovis, our sparkling obtained by a long Charmat process from Ribolo-Gialla grapes, fruity and fragrant, along with an unmistakable freshness, and Prosecco with a creamy and velvety perlage. The elegant native whites, Friulano and Ribolo-Gialla, are the highest expression of the territory, distinguished by their unique varietal aromas, the fresh and fruity aromas, and delicate finesse. The classic whites, Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay, Sauvignon, Traminer Aromatico, and Müller Thurgau represent the interpretation of international varieties, revealing a peculiar character thanks to the combination of the climate and soil of our heights, silky and refined, performing an enjoyable taste pleasantness. The Rafosco dal Peduncolo Rosso, the native red that represents the authentic character of our land. Unmistakably fresh, fruity, vinous, and slightly spicy, shows a great elegance and style. The classic reds, Merlot, Pinot Nero, Cabernet Franc, and Cabernet Sauvignon are known by their agreeable features and at the same time, character and supple structure. Merlot, Pinot Nero, and Cabernet Franc express best the varietal and fruity aromas, while the Cabernet Sauvignon aged in French tonneau is smooth and velvety on the palate, with a long, fruity and slightly smoky persistence, a red of outstanding personality. Verduzzo Friulano, the native dessert wine par excellence, speaking for Friuli, slightly raisined on vine, expresses the richness of its characteristic aromas. The nutty, acacia honey and barley candies notes makes its bouquet elegant and neat. On the palate it is creamy and refined, with an enjoyable moderate sweetness and typical almond finish. Rhum wines, two winemaking follies revived from an ancient Friulian tradition, i.e. Mule, made of 1 part red wine and 1 part white wine that our grandparents used to order at the inn. White Mule, obtained from Chardonnay and Cabernet Sauvignon, with a bright coppery color, a hint of vanilla and ripe fruit to the nose, and sharp and complex to the palate. Red Mule, obtained from Merlot and Sauvignon wines, ruby red colored with notes of cherry and light vanilla, velvety and elegant to the palate. Altùris, a summary of sensations to enjoy in good company. Benvenus. Welcome to Altùris.